FB tweet. Pinterest email send text message print. Eve is celebrating her first Mother's Day as a new mom. On Sunday, the Who's That Girl? Rapper shared a sweet image of herself holding her baby boy Wilde Wolf, whom she shares with husband Maximilian Cooper, on Instagram in honor of Mothering Sunday in the United Kingdom. Mother Nature, Blue Heart, my first Mother's Day, UK, Eve, 43, captioned the post. The snap features Eve sweetly kissing Wilde on his head while she embraces him in her arms with a beautiful garden filled with greenery and flowers in the background. Mother's Day in the UK falls on the fourth Sunday of March, precisely 3 weeks before Easter Sunday. Mother's Day in the US will fall on May 8 this year. Eve married her 49-year-old British husband in June 2014 after 4 years of dating. She is also stepmom to Cooper's 4 teenage children, Lotus, 19, Jagger, 17, Cash, 16, and Minnie, 13, from his previous marriage. Last November, the couple announced they were expecting their first child together in February. The Satisfaction songstress shared the happy update alongside photos of herself cradling her baby bump while wearing an all-black ensemble. Can you believe it? At Mrkimball 3000 we finally get to tell everyone, heart, you all know how long we've, been waiting for this blessing. We get to meet our lil human February 2022, Eve captioned her post. Reposting the same images to his page, Cooper wrote, very excited to share this news. We have a lil human on the way, heart. Last month, Eve revealed the arrival of Wilde to the world via her Instagram page by posting a photo of her son swaddled and sleeping in a Moses basket. Our beautiful boy was born February 1, 2022, Blue Heart, she wrote in the caption. Words can't describe this feeling, sparkles, sparkles, sparkles. Once again sharing the same photo to his Instagram, Cooper added, let the wild rumpus begin.